Alam mo ba kung gaano katalino si Attorney Pua, yung defense team ni VP Inday Sara Duterte sa kanyang impeachment trial dyan sa Senate? Ang galing nitong abogado na to mag-explain. Dahil yung sinasampang impeachment pala versus VP Inday Sara nangyayari noong 2007 pa. 2026 na ngayon. So, ang layo nung panahon na yon, at saka hindi kumpleto yung mga ebidensya na hawak nila sa kasong nandiyan ngayon na tinatalakay dyan sa Senate ngayon. Pakinggan ninyong mabuti itong sinasabi ni Attorney Pua. Matutuwa ka dahil yung explanation niya, yung mga sinasabi niya, napakaganda, walang sabit, walang sablay, direct to the point talaga. Panurin nyo ito.
Requests of the prosecution are in fact fatally overbroad. If a subpoena is not narrowly tailored, it is oppressive. It is merely issued for the very purpose that there is a hope that somewhere, somehow, something incriminating will come out. It ceases to be an instrument of justice. It becomes a weapon of a fishing expedition. Bakit po fatally overbroad? An impeachable offense is an act or omission committed while the public official is occupying an impeachable office, not before and being elected or appointed to such position. Yet here, Your Honor, today, the prosecution is requesting for documents spanning almost 2 decades, almost 20 years, dating as far back as 2007. Your Honors, it is a fact na noong 2007, ang respondent ay Vice Mayor pa lamang. Definitely not an impeachable office, Your Honor. It is not permitted to accuse now and then just look for proof later on. Evidence must be present to support each and every accusation. Pero hindi po yon yung nangyari dito. Balikan po natin kung saan nagsimula itong proceeding na ito. The Zabalya and Cabrera complaints, both filed before the House of Representatives, both accused the Vice President of allegedly amassing unexplained wealth, both with voluminous attachments, yet not one attached a document to support that accusation. Not a single financial transaction record, even a single SALN. In fact, it was only after these complaints were filed, and more significantly, only after the respondent had filed her answer before the Committee on Justice, that committee started searching for evidence to somehow support these accusations through, again, the issuance of subpoenas. What that is an unlimited search throughout a person's financial history. That is the very definition of a fishing expedition.
Ano masasabi mo sa mga sinasabi ni Attorney Pua, yung defense team ng impeachment ni VP Inday Sara? Di ba napakatalino? Napakaganda ng mga explanation niya. Talagang maano ka, pakinggan mong mabuti, talagang masasabi mong napakatalino nitong taong to. Isa ito sa mga defense team ni VP Inday Sara, na isang abogadong dati pa niya itong kasama. Napakatalino, kaya sana itong impeachment case na ito, yung trial na ito, maipanalo ni VP Inday Sara dahil talagang ginigipit sila rito. Ginigipit si Inday Sara nito, galing Malacanang kasi yung utos nito, kaya nagkaganito ang buhay ni VP Inday Sara. Kayo, ano masasabi nyo? Comment nyo naman dyan. Lalong-lalo na yung mga basher dyan, yung galit-galit kay VP Inday Sara, mag-comment naman kayo. Kasi kayo yung buisit sa lipunan . Yun lang muna. Hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat.